It's gonna be an emergency video because this thing broke down. Let's check it out. So my clutch is not engaging, and I thought it was the shifter that was loose, but it's not it. I already changed the master's slave cylinder. I mean clutch master cylinder, and that wasn't it. As you can see, it's a brand new one in there. Picked it up at AutoZone for $15.99. But other than that, the mission right now is taking it to Miguel's, because Miguel's where we're gonna take it apart. We're doing it. We're second gear. That's the only gear I'm staying safe at, because if I pop it out, I'm afraid it won't pop back in. Boy, second gear. Even at the red lights, second gear. Second gear all the way, baby. Come on, come on. Made it to Miguel's. Made it to Miguel's. Hey, air it out, air it out. Smells like clutch, right? Smells like clutch. Okay, for some reason, I took a second gear, something popped and grinded, and now all my gears go in. Go figure. Nice fix.
The problem fixes itself.
The problem fixes itself. You just leave it. End it.
Alright, bye, Miguel.
So first thing is first. We gotta lift this car up, put it on jack stands, and then we gotta remove the wheels, remove the axles, and then after that we'll dewire it, remove the front strut bar, and then that'll be pretty much it. Nice. So we got the coolant draining over here. We're taking out bolt-ons right now, and we got CJ over here working on the axle. And make sure you remove the pin, because if you don't, it's not gonna come out. It's not gonna come out. So hit it. Hit it. Just hit it. Hey, there you go. That's it.
Gotta take out the bumper though.
Oh, bumper's coming off too. Here we go, you guys. We started what, 11?
Yeah, like 11-ish.
11-ish? Alright. I'm not gonna get in there. Is it on me?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, 6 kilo, bro.
So
Training Miguel for the evil sauce.
so 2 axles, and I'm poofed already. God damn. Alright, next step, we're gonna drain the transmission oil, because once the axles pop out, they're gonna leak out. So make sure you got a pan ready. Let's do this. Alright guys, so everything in the motor is disconnected. All the wiring, all the fuel, power, everything, clutch lines, all disconnected. And it's just pure engine and motor mount. And I only got 2 motor mounts. Don't ask questions, but it was only 2. So the reason why we're doing this, look at that. All right, hey, the smart thing to do. Even though this cost me $10 to paint. How much does your valve cover cost?
Like 200.
All right, that's ready to go. Let's get this thing out. I'm gonna snap and it's gonna come out. Bam, it's out. It is out. The famous 428 turbo has been to Fresno 3 times, Las Vegas 2 times, and San Francisco 1 time. Woo! And turbo next turbo. Let's do this. Alright, you guys, we got the new axle shaft. Bam. And then you got a new timing belt, AutoZone special, and then the new clutch. I'm about to throw in right now. Throw. Bam. Alright, we gotta do the timing. So we gotta take off the mount first, and after taking the mount, we just take the plastic off. And then, and then the alternator belt. But that's it. Let's do it. So we're gonna do some timing right here. And for the time timing on this. You see this little notch right there? That has to be aligned with this one over here where the notch is right there. So we gotta get those two together. And then there's a third one, which is the crank. There's a notch right there. You see the arrow? And then you gotta match it with that arrow. And once you get it all together, this is my kind of tensioner. It ain't no hydraulic one. It's one that you gotta twist with the, what is it? 3/8 drive?
I was thinking quarter.
Oh, quarter drive? Yeah. And then you twist it, and then I'll show you right now in a bit how it works.
Water pump, you leave it on.
Oh yeah, water pump. Yeah, that's the water pump. That just spins freely in there. Doesn't matter where it goes. Here we go. The clutch in. Brand new clutch in. Got the new timing belt in, but we ran into a little issue with it.
It kept slipping off.
It kept slipping off, but I did it like 10 times doing the tensioner on the gates, and the only way to find out is once you start cranking the car. But everything is timed though, so we'll see how that goes. But we got the alternator hooked up. We got the trans tightened up already, and basically ready to put in back in. Dang. So we got majority of the wiring put in already. We got the axles popped in. They're brand stinking new. And then we got the two mounts installed. The turbo exhaust is hooked up. Now we're gonna do the intake, both the left side and the right side. And then we're gonna turn her up. The motor is back together. We just started it up. I didn't catch the first startup, but I'll start it up again for you guys. Well, not right now. Let's put the wheels back on. Let's put the wheels back on. Let's clean up, get all this mess picked up, and then we'll start it up. But the motor is back together. It's running. Sounds healthy. Now the real problem is hopefully the transmission grabs.
Why did you leave it running so that could
It's your house is open and it's a
Don't wanna be
open
rude.
down pipe. I mean straight
True,
pipe.
true.
Just straight pipe.
and it runs rich, so
Yeah.
you don't want to suffocate people.
This is
while they're making food.
well, this is the only thing rich I got.
What we do here is go back.
Second start up of the day. Go on, crank that sheet. Ah, damn wire. Alright, I think I'm ready. Go for it. Goddamn, go. Go. Woo! Here we go. Go for it again. Oh my gosh. Go. There you go. I got a flashlight? Yeah, I got a flashlight. Timing is done perfect. No more chewed up freaking timing belt. Got this. Got this. Thumbs up.